Hey, it's Leighton here.
The one and only Charlie.
And we're here for another episode. What are we up to today, Charlie?
Well, finally we actually get to sell some parts.
We're going to sell these wheels today. We've got someone turning up. So first priority is to get those
S13
wheels off because we're going to sell them. Give them a quick pressure hose down. Got to jack the car up. We bought some new jack stands as well.
Yeah.
Not so much for this one, but we'll use it for this today. So shall we get straight into it?
Yeah, guess so.
Alright, let's do it. So this week, Charlie, I've actually managed to sell a few parts. Got those S13 wheels going today. Got someone picking up that the engine cover for the CA18 with that random thing we found. And someone's going to get the drive shafts. Oh yeah. Better grab them out. We'll unbox them. I'll grab the other one. There we go. New jack stands. See if we can set these up. They've been holding up my 180 pretty well for the last way too long. So at least we know they work. With the buyer of the S13 wheels less than 25 minutes away, today's challenge was a speed challenge to see if we get the cars jacked up, the wheels off and all pressure clean before the buyer turns up. Done. Alright. Can you hand me yours or I can get them out? The buyer gets the last one set up. I'm going to go get the jack. Alright Charlie, we've got this new little guy to get the wheel off, so take that one. You know how to use that guy now? Yeah. And that guy as well, just to make it easier. Cool, alright, well, we'll take them over. See if we can carry these guys as well. There you go.
We should only just need...
Can you get it? I'll give it out for you. There you go.
Gotta say, it's really good.
Really good. So a really good pun.
Really good.
Really good. That's a really bad pun. See what it's doing here, Charlie? See how it's dragging the car that way? So yeah, try that one again now. Now it's not a lowrider. Alright, we've done the dodgy jacking up again. Got some solid road base underneath. It's all pretty stable, so now Charlie, what we're going to do, you're an expert at doing wheels now, so time to swap again. There we go. So what have you got, another spinning wheel? So I'll show you a trick. What I like to do is put it on...
If I just did that.
No, I'll show you. So what I like to do is put it in this one, opposite to the way it's turning. So about there, then you just get your foot and to crack it, just go really quick little smash and it usually comes off. Do you want me to do them all or do you want to try that method? So give it a little kick. Nice one.
Anything down? No. Yeah.
Need it so that's on that side.
Yeah.
So when you kick it, it's going against the way it wants to turn.
Yeah, fair enough.
Like this, watch out. There we go. Mate, like a F1 pit crew.
Oh. I don't think that was...
Just try not to let it land on the face of it. How stuck is it? Shut up. You go, another trick. Ready? Watch this. Watch out for a sec.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
Little kicks. Kicks always help. There we go. Let's check out this wheel.
Ooh. Big grubby.
A little bit grubby, but it'll tidy up. We've got... I'll let you do this wheel and I might go get the high pressure hose and I'll pressure hose this other one while you do that.
Fair enough.
Sounds good? Yell out if you need anything.
Yep.
Can you use this?
It's on low pressure.
It's on high pressure.
No.
You can do it.
Let's do like a single little. out.
Have a practice, yeah.
Hey,
Easy.
That's not bad.
You got it. Well, Charlie, we've done pretty well there. We've got the wheels off. What time do we have to get it done by?
4:30.
4:30? 4:30.
Fair enough.
Good work. So what do you got there, Charlie?
This is my my new favorite dream car. This will be the
What is it?
Nissan Leopard.
Nissan Leopard.
S13.
Awesome.
Pretty nice one.
That's your favourite?
Yep.
So Charlie, tell us, if you want to tell us, I heard you had a not so pleasant bus ride on one of our groups this week.
Oh yeah. I'm not going to give the person's name, but we will call them Darren, I guess.
Yeah.
Darren, well, this is new. He's car sick, and he was looking at another person on the bus's iPad, and I will call him Steve. And yes, so as Darren was looking at Steve's iPad, he started to feel sick, and then 20 minutes later, we were heading back, and we were about, what, 1 minute away, and yeah, he let all of that sick out, and he spewed. Basically, like, I had to spew on my leg,
Oh,
shoes, and that, and so I was just wrapped in a towel. Luckily, I got sombreros, and a pretty good night's sleep somehow after that.
so you didn't have nightmares from getting vomit all over you?
Yeah.
Hey Charlie, how good is your JDM ear? Can you tell a JDM car from a while away or not?
Not necessarily, no.
I can hear one coming, I think. I heard something accelerating. No, that sounds like a truck.
Damn, ERV26 off that thing.
Is that a 26 in that one?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Speed. Didn't really get much of an introduction with Fox, but
Yeah.
anyway.
Have you
Oh my god, that is I know that car.
you know that car?
That's like they're at like Repco or whatever sometimes.
Hey, there we go.
Too.
Now we know why he wants
I-
S13 cars, don't we?
I especially know that car. Because I literally made a Forza replica of it.
Did you?
Yeah, I made a replica of the car.
That's really cool. How cool does that look?
Oh god, it's so nice.
You haven't seen a nice Silvia like this for a while.
Hey, how's it going?
Not too bad. How are you?
I was so surprised when I saw your car, because I pointed out I've made your car in Forza Horizon 4.
There you go.
Because I see your car sometimes at like Repco or something.
Probably. I'm always
Yeah.
there getting stuff. That's
Yeah.
it.
Cool. It's pretty nice looking, isn't it?
Yeah. From distance.
Yeah.
As long as you don't get too close.
That's a bit like these wheels as well, actually.
I
But
like janky cars. It sort of reminds me of the 90s in Japan and that, where
Yeah.
it was all budget.
They don't look too bad. They're better than the other ones I've got.
yeah, they're pretty good. That's just obviously got crappy paint on it, but it's set up.
180 looks nice.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yours?
Yeah.
Can I sell it?
No.
No. It's the same answer.
I'd say the same about you. Do you want to sell your car?
For a 180.
There you go, Charlie.
There you
Take the cash, mate.
Got a
How good?
handshake?
Do the handshake.
There you go. Awesome.
There you go. First sale, Charlie. How good's that?
Is it alright if I have a quick look at your car? Because
Yeah.
it's like,
Yeah, that's fine.
I can't get over how nice it is. I know you might
Yeah, have a look.
disagree, but
You can
still.
hop in it if you want.
Nah, I'm
It's
a bit,
alright, it doesn't matter.
I'm a bit dirty. Nah, it's alright. Dash is cracked, but that's pretty normal.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
This is really nice. Probably blur out the plate, yeah. Oh, it's a Hibis plate. this shit.
What do you reckon?
I need it. There it is. Ah, yeah. Fine. Screw the Leopard. That's my new favourite car.
That's your new favourite?
Yep.
S13s. Yes, go to S13s. Well, there you go, Charlie, your first $100. Now that we've got that first thing sold, we need to keep a track of all our money, or your money. So while we've got the pressure hose out there, let's grab this big old dirty whiteboard and we'll pressure hose it, degrease it, and we'll make that into our parts register, or whatever you want to call it. Perfect. This is heavy.
In the shed for sunlight. It's like metal.
Oh, it's a proper like magnetic one.
Yeah. It's like, wait, let's get a size comparison. Like, and then I'm gonna like.
This is the size of this whiteboard. Yeah, this is working. Perfect. Well, there we go, Charlie. That's a brand new whiteboard. So we've got our nice whiteboard up here now, just to keep track of all Charlie's parts he's sold. There you go. Ticked off. $100 in the kitty. So what are the parts, Charlie? We're gonna write up on there.
I don't know.
What are we selling next? Put on there coil pack cover. Do you know how to write that?
No.
Right. It's coil, C-O-I-L.
Oh, God.
Is that right? O-I-L. We've got our first parts up on the board there.
In my terrible handwriting.
Your handwriting is going to improve. The more you write, the better it's going to be. I actually like it better than mine. Yours is actually kind of, it's like a cool font. So what do you want to do next week, Charlie? Got it. If the 180.
I really just want to see that 180 working.
Yeah, we definitely need to get that going. So if it's not running by next week, we can spend the whole day getting it going if you want.
Yeah.
So then Charlie can go for a ride. But have you been in a turbo car before?
No.
So that means that Charlie's keen to go for a ride in it. So definitely keen.
Yeah.
Now that S13s are back to your favourite, I'm glad S13s are back to your favourite car again.
Yeah.
Even though the Leopard was really cool, but can't beat an S13 can you? We'll see you guys next week. Thanks for tuning in, and it's always good fun. See yous.